Hi everybody, I'm Pavel, engineering manager at Intercom, and today I'm going to show you AI category detection, which is currently in closed beta. Support teams have long relied on manual processes to route conversations to the correct team. It's time-consuming, slows down resolution, and prevents teammates from focusing on what really matters, helping customers. This is where AI category detection comes in. With this feature, Pin AI agent can automatically assign conversations by category, sentiment, or any other chosen criteria. Let me show you how. First thing that we need to do is we need to set up our attribute and category. So this is conversation data attributes where I have this already set up. So as you can see, I have an attribute called request category, and I have several categories within it, each with description. Pin will use this description to understand when to apply this category to a conversation. Now let's go back to our workflow and redesign it using AI category detection. First thing I need to do is I will just remove these buttons as we no longer need them. And I will add AI category detection step here. I will select the attribute that I created, request category, and add branches. And we will use branches to route the customer to the correct team. I will delete this message as well. Let me save the workflow. Okay, so in this workflow, what is going to happen is that end user will ask their question, then Pin will try to answer. And in case this user needs support from a human, they will click Wait for the team button. At this stage, AI category detection will kick in and categorize the conversation, and after it, assign it to the corresponding team. So if conversation is about shipping or order status, it will be assigned to order tracking team. If it's about gift options or special requests, to special orders team. And if it's about lost or stolen packages, to claims and investigation. So let's see how it works in real life. Let's say my package is lost. So at this point, as you can see, Pin is trying to answer this question. So it searches all the content available to it, help center articles, snippets, everything else, and tries to figure out what's the best answer for this customer. So as you can see, Pin suggests to double check tracking information, wait a bit longer, check with neighbors, building reception, etc. But let's assume I already did all of this and need to talk to the team. So after I click this button, here's where the AI category detection kicks in. And you can see that Pin created an internal note for the teammates explaining why it chose certain category. And here you can see that the conversation was assigned to claims investigation team, which is our desired behavior. As you can see, AI category detection is an amazing tool to improve conversation routing accuracy. And it's just one piece of a bigger shift in how support works in the AI era. We are rethinking the entire flow and exploring how Pin can not only answer questions, but create new powerful customer support experiences. This feature is still in development, so expect it to evolve as we continue to build. Watch this space. Thanks.